Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration hosted by Dahlia Designs, Jewelry, and more here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. Please click on it and see what they have created. So we have one primary and two options, right? So the main and important thing is to use the colors, which were hot pink, hot light pink, hot dark pink, raspberry, purpley red, purpley pink, red darker, imperial red, and auburn. And then she has given us the first option is gemstones. I don't have a lot of gemstones to my knowledge, so I never really look at that. I may have a few that I've picked up by mistake because I don't know that well. And then the third one is, or the second challenge is to make a bracelet an earring set, and she said you can make it for Valentine's Day, which was 4 days ago, or something else. Not necessarily because the colors were all pinky, like pink color. So I want to share with you what I use, some of the things that I use. So I had bought a bracelet. I usually buy jewelry to break it up, and I've used this before, but I took this bracelet apart, and now we had these little tile pieces, and I was like, this looks like one of those colors, and you pulled it out. Now the problem with these towel pieces is the towel hole is very much in random spots. So like this is a random spot hole and it's not very good for small jump rings. So that was that. And then I used these little plastic roses because I thought that would be cute. In my opinion, it's cute. And then, if you all don't know, I have an affinity for these little flower petal things. So I pulled out this color because I feel like this is one of the colors that's listed. And then to throw everything off, I was like, okay, I want to use red. I bought some gems, some jewelry, beading from Hobby Lobby in January because I actually looked over the list to see. I was like, oh yeah, and they had them on sale. I don't need to go to Hobby Lobby for the next 2 or 3 years, 4 or 5 years. Even if I crafted everyday beading, I still would not need to go and buy anything. And I'm going to try and practice that. But these colors right here, I feel are dark red. Imperial red. And in my opinion, imperial red is like a deep, deep red. I could be wrong. But she has the numbers on there, and I feel like I covered it. I went over it. I got it. And so I didn't knock this out the thing. This is my first pair of jewelry. I made some earrings, which I've made earrings with this tile before. I like the towel. I like these earrings. These make me smile. So that's the first one. And then, you know what I decided to do? I was like, you know what? Let's try this. Let's try and make a bracelet. Let's try and make a bracelet. And if you make a bracelet, you need to have a what? A pair of earrings to go with it. Yay! So let's show you earrings first. This card is short. We need to work on our carding. So I originally wanted to do three, and I was like, it looks kind of naked. So I did a double. Well, not a double, but it's kind of the same two at the top. Not in the same link, but two. And I feel like that looks good. And I used the colors to do that. And then here is the bracelet that I made. And I put two lobster cloths on the end because some of us don't have people to help us put on jewelry. And some of us do. This is for when you want to just grab it and go. Now, this is a little bit too long for my wrist. I decided that one end I could take off a few links, but then I was like, let's just keep it because it looks really pretty in my opinion. See, I'm not gonna pin it on. My thumb is hurting still, but anyway, yeah. And so these have a little silver piece in them, and then this has like it's what is that color? Charcoal, clear charcoal, I think. I don't know if charcoal could be clear, but yeah, these are my pieces that I have created. I hope that you enjoy this. Again, please click on the description box and see what everyone else in the collaboration has created. I'll say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.